Wasabi Ventures Stallions creates investment options in the thoroughbred breeding world. Today, we're learning about how stallion assets increase in value. Stallion assets include shares, lifetime breeding rights, and full ownership of a stallion. In the case of shares and lifetime breeding rights, or LBRs, the acquisition price is typically set at an amount that allows the purchaser to recoup their investment within the first 4 or 5 years. This period corresponds to the length of time between a horse's retirement to a stallion career and when his first foals are old enough to have reached the races. The value of a stallion asset can increase when the stallion's first offspring prove popular at public auction, whether as weanlings, yearlings, or 2-year-olds in training. High sales prices for these offspring, relative to the stallion's stud fee, can lead to a boost in that stud fee for the next breeding season, which thus increases the value of the stallion asset. More commonly, a stallion asset will increase in value when the stallion's first offspring achieves success on the racetrack. As a stallion's first foals begin to race and win, especially if they win high-quality stakes races, demand for that stallion's progeny also increases. This leads to increased auction prices for those progeny, as well as the ability to charge an increased stud fee to breed that stallion in future breeding seasons. An increased stud fee also typically corresponds to a better quality of broodmare being bred to the stallion, which theoretically helps the stallion produce even more successful offspring in the future. This cycle of higher auction prices, higher stud fees, and a higher quality of broodmare visiting a stallion all correspond to an increase in the value of the stallion asset itself. Wasabi Ventures Stallions targets young stallions that we believe have the potential to see their value increase in the future. We utilize domain expertise, bloodstock talent, analytics, and hours of research to find these stallions. Please join at wasabistallions.com and get more details.